hello, good afternoon. Where are we? Where are we? Say good afternoon, where are we? Hello?
We're at Disney.
Where is that? We're at Disneyland Paris. Come on, let's go and enjoy our day. Then, where's Minnie Mouse? There she is. Is that her? Let's go see what we can find then. Should we go and see if we can find her?
Where else is she, Ayla?
Oh, she's up there, look. Wow. So now we've got a long walk. There's a bird's nest. Birds living at Disney. Birds living at Disney. I don't blame them. There's worse places to live, isn't there, Jace? Chip and Dale are up there. Oh, up there. On top of the awning. I've never seen them there. It just shows you can come a million times and see something new every time. Chip and Dale, Ayla.
Up there.
Up there. You're so clever.
On the lights.
Look, grand final. Show her. Wow, Dad. Look at that. Here she comes. Hi, Ayla. Are you going to watch the show? Whoa. You snuggled. There's Mickey up there, look.
Allez-y, messieurs, juste par ici, j'attends le left side.
In a dimensional funnel, of our performance and the comfort of those around you, please do not use flash photography and video camera lighting. And now, Walt Disney Studios Park.
So look all your dreams and all roll up something to love rallies. It makes dreams come true. So much fun. How do we fix it? Easy. We call for Mickey and Minnie, dinos que crashed. How do we fix our factory? Uh-oh, look up the dreamometer, Mickey.
Pour que la fabrique des rêves puisse fonctionner, tout le monde doit rêver ensemble.
That's right. Oh, goodness. You don't think there's someone here without a dream, do you?
Mais qui est-ce que ne rêve pas ici?
C'est moi,
Huh?
Axel. You don't have a dream.
Mais Axel, tu n'as pas de rêve pour toi.
Regardez-moi, je rien de particulier. Si je vous disais, je rêve d'être chic, extraordinaire,
Fancy?
fancy. Tout le monde se moquerait.
So, you want to be fancy? What a silly dream. Suppose, Mickey. I'm here to help you with your dilemma. That's a fancy word for problem.
Oh, Nancy, ça me met tellement mal à l'aise quand je rêve d'être chic, extraordinaire, fancy, comme toi.
La la, Axel. Anyone can be fancy.
Montre-moi comment, s'il te plaît.
Mais oui, I'm practically an expert. You see, whether you live in a playing field or in a grand chateau, there are basic rules of fancy that everyone should know. A pen is ordinary, a plume is magnifique, beige is dull and boring.
Le plus chassé, plus chic, trop vulgaire, les casquettes de baseball. Oh, chef, grâce à Fancy, Nancy, Clancy, je peux enfin dire quel est mon rêve. Ouh là là, my dream is to be fancy. All of the factory is working too.
Et voilà, tout est en retard. Il y a encore quelqu'un qui ne reste pas ici. Mais boss, I'm too shy to have a dream. Oh, tu es trop timide, Spark. Il ne faut pas. Parce que vous me remettez cette abri quand elle marche.
This time, I'll take her away, Mickey, while you see about Spark. Excuse me, may I have a tour too?
Oh, tout le monde veut sa petite visite guidée aujourd'hui. It's tour day.
Spark, si tu n'étais pas aussi timide, quel serait ton rêve?
If I weren't shy, I'd dream of being a rock star.
Hot dog! J'ai une amie avec des rêves monstrueux comme être une rockstar.
Can you help Spark dream of being a rock star?
Elle est trop timide pour être une rockstar.
She's way too shy.
Au début, moi aussi j'étais trop timide pour chanter, Spark.
You were too spooked to play your spookalele in front of people?
Et puis, j'ai réalisé que pour être une rockstar, je devais trouver le monstre en moi. My inner ghoul. Que la vie te chauve-souris. You're spooktacular.
Spark! Mais qu'est-ce que tu fais? What is happening to my crew? Chef, it's spectacular! I'm brave enough now to say my dream. Mon rêve, c'est d'être une rockstar!
Oh, regardez!
So I'm literally waiting for Isla to go on a ride, and I'm going to try this corn dog.
And guts! Oh, what a cast, what a scene, what a movie! And if I do say so myself, what a director!
They're good. They're awesome. They're really good. Really reminds me of America. God, I want to be there so bad. It's miserable weather here in Paris today. I want to be there really bad. Isla, love you. Love you. Good girl. Are you off?
People, this is your director. Good luck on your scene. Just remember, the most important part of acting, have fun! Okay, roll up! What a smile, what a face!
I just want some aesthetic, shaky filming. So we have had a nightmare of a 2 days. So Smashed Isla's tablet, which is thousands of pounds. Broken my coffee machine, which is brand new.
Oh, so I broke the kettle last time.
The last time we were in Paris, we broke the kettle. And I've got a very manky gift in my pocket for you. Can you just like pull my coat down? It's a very squashed half of the new Eclair. Let's see, it doesn't look too bad actually. What do you think? It's not too sweet.
No, no.
It's really nice, isn't it? It's delicate. Are you getting hungry? Okay, well I think we're going to have some food after Mickey the Magician, yeah? So now we are going to go to the Spider-Man ride. So we just did, which you'd have seen in the vlog. It has been mental. Disney Junior DreamWorks again. And they blocked my annual pass so I couldn't get in. So on top of, and then we had a 4-hour delay on our train, on our boat. So we didn't get here till 1, and then I didn't actually get into the park till gone 3. I was fuming. I had a very great cast member called Vivian, and so at the beginning she was like, no, I can't do anything, and by the end she literally sorted it. She was like so annoyed that the annual pass office kept putting the phone down on us. It was a nightmare, but she sorted it all out, and she sorted out our payment plan for our annual passes to pay monthly. So she sorted it all out, and there was problems with our email as well. They were using an old email and they've upgraded it to a new email, so I think it was all just lost in translation. So yeah, so we're sorted out now, and we're going to go Spider-Man and try and get on Spider-Man. We've got like an hour and a bit, so we've got 2 shows of Mickey the Magician Isla wants to see, one today. So we're going to do Spider-Man, and then I think we're going to head back and try and do one of those 2, and then we want to watch the projection. So I'm just going to show you the Hollywood Tower of Terror. As we walk past, it's massive. Someone's showing their leg tattoo off there. Of the Tower of Terror on his leg. It's so cool. Do you see that bloke's tattoo of the Tower of Terror?
Yeah.
Oh, you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. It's been mental. Oh, and I'll tell you the other thing, Isla's got no bags because we left them at security coming into the park, and they've gone into the main park, so Jason's gonna have to run and get them before park closing.
Yes. Seems I left them on the back on the security desk.
So we're gonna do Spider-Man?
Yeah, Spider-Man and Mickey the Magician.
Yeah? It's very difficult to vlog Jason because he walks as fast as I walk, and he doesn't have the logic that I needed to walk slightly slower so I can actually get Isla in the vlog. There's Ant-Man over there, I think. Is that Ant-Man? Well, that's the exit to the meat and greet. That's Pim Kitchen. Desperate to eat there. We haven't got time now, so we might be able to do it on Saturday. It's just money this time. So we're going on. I never know what this ride's called, but hey, look at that sign lit up over there. I'm just gonna go and turn. Very well. There they are. That's Flight Flop Horse. We've never done that ride. We're going to go and try and do that ride tomorrow if we can get a fit it in this time. Right, let's go do the queue. This is mad. Where's the queue? Gone? There's no queue. We're gonna find some Spidey bots. We're gonna find some Spidey bots. This is the best ride in Paris.
Yeah.
Is this the best ride in Paris? It is. Is it a thumbs up ride?
Creating cutting-edge tech, so today you can sling webs like Spider-Man. And our host today has created his own real-time translation device to help you better enjoy the presentation. We hope you all have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. Nous vous souhaitons une excellente visite.
Hi, Naboo.
Tu m'impressionnes, Spider-Man. Tu as vraiment résolu le problème.
Oui, mais j'aurais jamais réussi sans toi.
C'était aussi ton idée. Veuillez rester assis dans... Please stay seated in your Slinger vehicle.
So what did I get? 25. Jay got 243 and I got 165.
Wow.
Huh?
Wow.
Isla, did you like it? Did you like it, Jay? Jay? It's good, isn't it?
D'avoir empêché la destruction du monde tel qu'on le connaît.
Did you like it, Isla?
Vos effets personnels et attendez
Glasses are already on.
vous aide à quitter le véhicule. À bientôt. Hey, thanks for
Good,
attending
try
our
film the
open
ramp.
house presentation and preventing the destruction of the world as we know it. Please collect your whips and any personal belongings and wait for a webcast member for a...
It's on a video we're going out.
Attention
Take
à
it
la marche.
backwards.
Utilisez
Well
toutes
done.
les places disponibles
There you
dans
are,
le
the
véhicule.
new ramp is
Asseyez-vous
in.
et mettez